check the engine oil level, what you want to do is locate the dipstick. Usually a yellow handle like you see here. You remove that. And you're going to clean it with the lint-free cloth. So we clean that really well. Then we go ahead and reinsert it. And then you want to make sure that it's seated all the way in. Alright, so give it about 5 seconds. That's plenty of time. Then you remove it. And then you want to look here at the dipstick. If we look here, very carefully, you can see the area. You want to be between this. The minimum is right down here. Maximum is right up here. This shaded area right here is where you want to be. In this case, we're right here at the bottom, and that is not good. So we need to add some engine oil to this. And in order to do that, we need to remove the cap. One thing to keep in mind that typically between minimum and max, that's about 1/4 to 1 liter. So if you're right down here, about 1 liter should be enough and bring you right in the correct range. So we reinsert that, remove the cap, oil cap, might be a little bit tight, and remove it counterclockwise. Now you do want to add the correct oil type, so I should say oil grade and type. So if you use synthetic oil, then use synthetic oil. Whatever you add there, it's best to keep the same grade. But if you're on a trip and you can't find the exact oil, or you don't know what oil was put in the car, it's better to put some oil in there to bring that level where it needs to be, then drive with no oil or very little oil in the engine. And then as soon as you get to your destination, you should get an oil change and put the correct oil in there and grade. In this case, it's not telling us here which grade it is. It's typically going to be 0W20 or 5W30. It's compatible with also